So obviously I've named you the LinkedIn boss. You want to kind of give our listeners a little bit of
Yeah.
why I called you the LinkedIn boss?
Yeah. So I'll accept that title. I'll accept that title because I really do love. I mean, I can really geek out on LinkedIn because I think it's a platform that's very much overlooked by a lot of podcasters and entrepreneurs and small business professionals. I even, frankly, anyone that's looking to really elevate their career in one way, shape, or form, because it is the platform that you can control the who you know, right? In the equation, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Well,
Yep.
LinkedIn gives you the ability to control that. So why wouldn't you? Right? And that can change everything for your life and your business and your bank account. So that's where I focus. I help people really see the power in building strategic and profitable relationships and using LinkedIn. Like LinkedIn's the tool, right? It's really not about LinkedIn. It's about the relationship building, but we have LinkedIn. So it's the tool that helps us meet really cool people that can change everything.